Okay, we're popping in on Andrea's class. Hello, everyone. There's our instructor, Andrea Frank. What's our class today?
Swiping.
Swiping. Swiping good. Great name.
So we're doing two different techniques. I just did a wet towel, and now we're gonna use instruments to swipe.
Fun, fun.
Yep.
Well, let's go see how the towel worked out. Where are we?
That wet one.
Oh, yeah. Great color.
You're in next, aren't you?
Beautiful.
I'm in your class.
Look at the samples here. These are fantastic.
I'm going to add your class tonight, okay?
Pardon?
I'm going to add your class tonight.
Okay.
I'm gonna do these in stripes.
Which
like
one?
I did on that blue one. That one all the
I
way over
don't know,
there.
it's the one at 4:30.
Okay.
So,
Stickers.
let's see.
4 o'clock.
Yeah.
4 o'clock.
4.
Right behind you. That's okay. Can you see? Can you see her?
Yeah.
I don't know where I did that.
Oh,
There we go.
I have that happen all the time. Little boogers, I call them.
That's the fun part. You can fix almost anything.
Yep.
Absolutely.
God, that's a beautiful color.
And if you can't fix it,
You can scrape it.
first you swipe it, then you blow it, then you scrape it.
Let's see what happens.
Put your big girl panties on and try it again.
That's right.
Let's see. I might put a little bit more black along the edge, just so I can get some swiping action in there.
I like it just the way it is.
I know.
Like
Nice.
my husband,
Very simple. I like it.
he stops and says, "Oh, Mommy, get it." I said, "No, Mommy, have fun."
See how I'm holding it, and I'm
Yes,
just
I
letting
see
it
that. I'm definitely watching that.
sit on top. I'm not directing it on top, I'm holding it from below, I'm just letting the pressure come through. And then the same thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of white on this one, I think.
Great cells.
It's gonna be more after I put the thing on, after I do this on. That's kind of cool.
That's very cool. Wow. Go ahead. You're good.
That is smoking.
Literally.
I think that's enough. I mean, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, I'm gonna probably get rid of that.
Ooh-wee. Gorgeous.
Wow.
All right. We'll pop in later.
Okay, wish us luck.